Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Well, as you can see, we have an F20 pack on the driveway, but unfortunately it's not mine. But it's a way better version than mine, because this is a M140i. As you can see, it's legit. It has the badge. It's a M140i dual exhaust, and as it sits right now, it's completely stock. It's an Xdrive version. But yeah, as you can see, it's a beautiful car. Nice brown leather interior, as you can see. And it's full option. I think it is. You have a panoramic roof, big navigation. All the other options are there. And as you can see, it's still stock at the moment, but a stock 140i ain't a slouch either. So yeah. We are gonna have some fun in this beast today and take it for a drive, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun with this one. It's going to be a good day, and this will make me miss the F20 a little bit less. So the nice thing about this M140i, it's an Xdrive version, so the launch control in this car is absolutely brutal, and we are going to demonstrate it right now. And yeah, it's like I said, it's pretty amazing. I have witnessed it just, and we're going to do it again to show it on film from the inside and the outside. But yeah, the launch control on this car it's whoa. And also the exhaust noise for a stock car is still pretty good. So I'm gonna stand here and I'm gonna say how he's gonna do it. So yeah, that's pretty fast. I mean, that's around 4 seconds 0 to 100, and that really pulls you back in your neck pretty hard. I mean, it launches like more aggressively as an M2 or something because of the Xdrive, but yeah, I want one. I need one. I need a lot of cars and a lot of money. And now we are going to take the M140i for a drive by itself, and it's a very familiar feel. I'm gonna write the music for copyright issues. But yeah, I mean, it's a very familiar feel as the one series that I have, because it's the same car, but it's a little bit more special as mine, because of this is a M140i from 2019 with a full option. Mine is not, so we're gonna have a little fun drive. Okay, so the M140i, like I said, while normal driving it feels very familiar, because it's a 1 series only. The other thing is that it's an automatic. But yeah, I feel very familiar with this car. The only difference is that when I hit the throttle, this happens. And mine doesn't do that well. It's a very amazing car. Also, the brakes feel way more aggressive than mine, because my car is it's only a 149 brakes, but this one actually the brakes feel more direct, more aggressive, and yeah, the acceleration is just immense. Jag wilde voorbij te steken, ik had dat nog niet eens gezien.
That's only in comfort. That's only in comfort.
Only in comfort, so we still have Sport Plus.
More torque.
More torque either, yeah. And then yeah, this car feels, the 6 cylinders feel so much stronger as as the 1.6 that I have. Wow, I need one. Ik ken ook nog wel een schone locatie. Okay, so now we're going to do the launch control, so we have to put it in Sport Plus and then in Sport, then press the brakes. Holy shit! Holy shit, that is. Holy shit, that's the most brutal acceleration I've ever done on my own. That is whoa. Holy shit. Okay, so we are back home right now, and the 140i unfortunately had to leave already. But yeah, it was a very fun drive, and damn, a 1M40i, what a machine! Really, what a machine! That car really, you know, pulls away. Now I see why 1M40i owners still think that my car is slow, because my car just feels slow in comparison to a 1M40i. It's a machine. It's something else. I really need an M2 or a 1M40i very soon, because my 114i ain't gonna cut it anymore. He had to leave, so we actually had no time anymore for some shots, but we will meet again soon. And you know, to make up for the lack of shots on the 1M40i, I actually did some shots on them too this weekend, so I'm going to show that one in a nice compilation, and I'm also going to end the video on that note. So anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.